Welcome! If you want to keep your Telegram group organized and make conversations easier to follow, the new topics feature is the perfect solution. Today, I'll show you step by step how to create a topic in your Telegram group using Telegram Web on your PC, following the latest update. First, open Telegram Web in your browser and log in to your account. Once you're in, look for the group where you're an admin. Only admins have the ability to create and manage topics. Click to open that group. At the top right corner of the chat window, you'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on these dots to open the group menu. In the drop-down, you'll find the option labeled Create Topic or New Topic, depending on your version. Click on it to get started. A new window will pop up, asking you to enter the name of your topic. This is your chance to give your topic a clear, descriptive title, so members know exactly what to expect. For example, you might name it Announcements, Support, or anything that fits your group's needs. You'll also see an option to choose an icon for your topic. Pick one that matches the subject and helps it stand out. Once you've named your topic and chosen an icon, simply click the Create button. That's it. Your new topic will now appear in the group and members can start chatting in this dedicated space. You can repeat these steps to create as many topics as your group needs, keeping every discussion organized and easy to find. With topics, your Telegram group becomes much more manageable. Members can join discussions that interest them, and you can keep important conversations from getting lost in the crowd. Give it a try and see how much smoother your group chats become.